Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have my new headphones on. They have love hearts, and today I'm going to be opening this color in thing, and let's get started. Just need to fix up my headphones. So let's get opening. Kind of hard. I just ripped the box. Let's get this. Let's get, oh my god. So this is the stand, I believe. Box. What's this? I get it. I think this is the board, the whiteboard. Let's get that out. Let's get, okay. So whiteboard, and the color markers, and then we've got this for the colors. Awesome. So let's get this out. Let's get this now. So we can put these in there. It was only like 100. And it's also good to be using this as a whiteboard rubber thing. Okay, so whoa, Jesus. Right here we've got this stand for the iPad. Now we need to do this on a flat surface, but this was just an opening, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Yay! Stay sparkly, and see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye!